Hi friends, so this is your friend Arun from Live in Germany channel. So today I'm back again with another important and interesting update happening towards the digitalization of healthcare in Germany. So we have seen in the month of September that they are trying this e-prescription in form of trial basis, but now starting of July onwards, we can actually use it, and future this could become mandatory as well. So please do watch this video till this end because it would be helpful for anybody who's living in Germany, especially if you have a family and kids. This could be an important update, so please share this with similar friends and followers. Hi guys, so now to the content. So what is e-prescription? So e-prescription, like the word e says, it's all going to be in digital format. So what it's in simple word means is a doctor can digitally prescribe something, and the data can be accessible also by a pharmacy in the digital format, and also the patient can access this data in digital format. So this is in short word, but there are three different ways how they're going to do it, and this is the following. The first thing is still using the classical paper format. Okay, you said digital, what is this paper, Arun? So the reason is there are people who cannot still use a smartphone, and there are pharmacies and doctors who have not yet taken this format into picture. For example, in pharmacies, 80% can use the e-prescription, others are not yet. They will be brought into the system. So this is why you can still use the old paper, the pink paper, or you can still get this new digital format like you see on the screen in order to get your medicines from the pharmacy. So now to the second information, using a card, you don't have to do anything else. It will just use the card you have. So what you have to do is just give the card to the doctor puts it in his reader, uploads the information on prescription, take the card, you go to the pharmacy, then they can put in the reader, and then they just type, and then they can also get details on your prescription. It is very simple as that. So you don't have to carry any more papers. But okay, all this is fine, Arun, but I would also like to access data, not just the card. What is my option? Now comes the third option of the e-prescription app. So e-prescription app is something introduced so that people can access data. So before I tell how you can download and install, I'll tell about the features. So first of all, you can get access to your prescription, what time you have to take the medicines, when is your follow-up appointments, for example, or when you don't have to go to a doctor but just get a new prescription for follow-up medicines, you can also get it on that digitally. In future, you can also book appointments, and you will be also able to buy medicines from pharmacies so that you can just go there, collect it, or just have it home delivered. So these are the options and features which are available or will be available, some of them in future in this app. Another cool thing is currently it's in German, but in future they're also planning to bring it in English language as well. So you can also install it now, try to learn some new German words, and in the process, when the English format comes, it will be easier for us. So what is about the installation process? Is it like just simple download? Not, it is so simple. You should have a smartphone with an NFC enabled. So please check if you have this NFC, and also your card should have an NFC enabled, so you can see under the black letters, black color, if there are 6 numbers, for example, that means your card has an NFC, and you need an additional pin. So you might already have a card with NFC, you might have a smartphone. If you don't have a pin, go to the customer service of your health insurance provider or write to them so that they can send you the information via post. So when you have all this information, you can access all these details. So Arun, in the thumbnail you put children. So what is children actually? So the key information is when we have kids, you have to regularly give them medicine sometimes when they are small, fall sick, and you also have to monitor it. So now parents can install the profiles of kids or other family members in general, and then see what medicines are given, when is the next meetings, when is the next follow-up, and if the medicines prescribed have any contradictions. All this can be checked with the prescription app. So this is why it is important that especially parents use this app to have access to this data. So is this all, or not really, but this is, I would like to sum it up like this in the video. But they are going to make it mandatory in future, so that if you want to book appointments or book some other help, for example, like Pflegeversicherung, like care insurance, using that, then you might be needing this prescription app. So please do install it when you find time, and also share this with your friends. I hope this video was crisp and useful for you. I'll come back again with another video.